Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, A Life in High Definition, and here is another Christmas unboxing. Just ignore the background, you know, pretend that's not here. I am temporarily set up in my new room that will be better. If you watch my vlog, you can see what distracted me earlier. But this came today and I just couldn't wait till tomorrow to open it. I need to see what's inside. And even the packaging is Christmassy. And when I open this, look, you can just see a glimpse through there. Look at it. This is the way to do Christmas. Like, Eve's Parcel was nice, but this is how to do a Christmas box. Just look at it. Now, I don't know what's missing at the front, but this is falling on the floor. This is kind of like their advent calendar, which I didn't get this year. Sold out, but look at it, it's beautiful. It's like textured, it's almost not sticky exactly, but your fingers catch on it. Beautiful stars. Oh, it's just lovely, just lovely. Rose gold kind of. And then look, the goodies, and they're on the floor, because where else should anything be? So if you want to join me and see what is in this box, then I'd love it if you could subscribe to my channel, join my High Def family, do it for me for Christmas. It's a free thing to do and I'll be super happy. You can give me a thumbs up. Also, ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload, and when you're done, you can share this. Alright, let's get into this video. So what is this? Something from Hotel Chocolat. A duo of filled chocolates. A special treat for your December Birchbox, although you're sweet enough already. Oh, that's what I thought. Oh, I should just quickly tell you, Birchbox is £12.95 a month. I have got a link to the Birchbox that you can use to get, I think it's £5 off your first box, and would get me some kind of freebie. So I appreciate it if you do, but even if you don't, make sure you try and get some kind of discount, because who wants to pay full price? Okay, so let's look at these goodies. I wish you would say what they were. I mean, they are pretty chocolates, that's for sure. There's hazelnut paste and something. Caramel, it mentions. I don't know. We will taste these later. I'm sure they'll be delicious. Or I could even... Nah, I was going to say I was going to wait till Christmas. No, I'm not. Laritzi Cosmetics. These people are vegan and cruelty free. It's a long-lasting liquid lipstick. Oh yes, this is the item we had to pick between colours, although I don't remember picking this one, so fingers crossed it's the one I wanted. Paraben free as well. This is the colour Power. Don't I have a little booklet this month? It's hiding at the bottom of the box with some other paraphernalia. Twinkle all the way, it says. December has well and truly arrived. Seriously, where has 2018 gone? To celebrate, we're embracing the glitz and glamour of the festive season with a seriously sparkly box. Seriously sparkly. Packed with goodies, from a party-proof lippy to 2 extra treats. We've got everything in place for you to twinkle all the way. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, I'm so happy. This liquid formula delivers rich pigmented colour that seriously won't budge. Plus, the comfortable texture means it won't settle into the lines of your lips or leave them feeling dried out. Just apply it directly to the lips using the wand and relax, knowing that there's no need to reapply throughout the day. Running out of hand here. Oh, that is beautiful. I love a red. That is such a nice colour. That is like Christmas in a lipstick. Yes, so happy. So happy. There are a lot of lipsticks that are either the same kind of colour or, you know, the nudie kind of colour, or that I don't really like because I find them too pale for me. So when I get a colour that I'm just like, yes, it's very exciting. Right, what is this? Okay, Bubble Sheet Mask. Exfoliate and cleanse, made in Korea. This innovative sheet mask reacts with the oxygen in the air to form tiny bubbles when you place it on your face. Not only does it result in a hilariously foamy face, but it purifies and smooths skin for a radiant complexion. Apply to clean skin, leave for 10 minutes, then remove, rinse your face clean. This is full size. I would have quite liked it if everything was full size, or at least everything was full size, because it's Christmas. But you know I love a mask, so I'm going to enjoy that. I don't know how I feel about bubble masks as a thing though. I don't know if I feel that they cleanse me amazingly or not. I don't know. Maybe I'll try it tonight. Right, what is this? From Percy and Reed, SOS Save Our Style. Totally Hydrating Mask. Need a rescue remedy fast? This indulgent treatment helps to nourish and deeply condition stressed tresses whilst enhancing manageability, softness and shine. I always like their drawings, I think they're cute. With nourishing marshmallow extract and coconut oil, Totally TLC Hydrating Mask provides intensive conditioning for dry, damaged or lackluster hair. It softens and improves manageability, adding healthy shine. Not forgetting aloe vera and mango seed oil, which are rich in vitamins and minerals, our heroes. I'm guessing this is a one-off thing. That's quite nice, but I kind of feel like that's an extra. What do you guys think? Is this a main event or an extra? No, to be fair, it could be a main event, because with a face mask, I'd be like, yeah, that's full size, that's fine. So why wouldn't I be the same with a hair mask? Interesting. So yeah, that's okay. Although, of course, they don't sell it in samples. Although, of course, they don't sell it in size like this. They sell it in a huge pot. So maybe I am right. I don't know. Let me know. So we have this, which is the Birchbox hair comb. Just what you always wanted, right? This plastic comb is hard on tangles but easy on your hair. The wide teeth help work through stubborn knots without causing breakage. We love using it on hair mask day to comb the product through our tresses for root to tip treatment. And they say it's worth £5. That is definitely something. At the moment I use a tangle teaser. Can't say I'm like very excited by that though. Right, what is this? Smashbox, our #1 primer, the original photo finish primer. A clear gel primer that smooths out pores, fine lines and wrinkles, meaning it's great for wearing on its own or for creating an even base before the rest of your makeup. How tiny is this going to be then? Do we think that's a bit small? Doesn't this feel like the sample that you would get if you went into the counter or something? 7.1ml, I mean, it's not bad, 7.1ml, I guess. I'll see how much I need to use, but you know I would have liked it to be bigger, but I haven't tried this yet, so I am happy to try it, and a primer that does all those things does sound pretty amazing. One item left. Oh, this old chestnut again. Had this a few times. Balance Me Micellar Cleansing Flash Cleanse Water. It smells okay. It works okay. Chamomile infused cleansing water with natural peptides to boost hydration and radiance with a sweep of cotton pad. Non-drying, no rinse formula is designed to refresh and soothe skin with ease. It's fine, it works. This would be my 3rd or 4th one of these. Again, it would have been nice to have a bigger one because it's Christmas. I am going to go away and add everything up and be back with my final thoughts. I've got my grand total and it's £39.46, which is a bit quite average for a Christmas box. If you add in the comb, the extra, that makes it £44. Obviously, that's still like 3 to almost 4 times the box price. It just doesn't feel that good / Christmassy. The best thing by far is this lipstick, which is beautiful, but everything else is just quite small and just I don't know. And can you really count this if it's not something you're going to want or use, really? I'm like looking for uses for it rather than, yes, I love to comb my hair through like that. I don't know, just feeling a bit underwhelmed. And I may have seen some sneak peeks for another box that I've got to do tomorrow or something for you guys. And that one's just so much better. So, yeah. Like, it's fine. It's fine. It's not bad. It's just fine. I would have liked to see something else instead of the Balance Me. I mean, another product from Balance Me would have been better because we've had that so many times before. What do you guys think? Am I being unfair to Birchbox, or is this just not that good? I mean, if it was a regular box, then yeah, I think it would be nice. Like, it's fine, it's good. Although I'm not going to use the comb probably. I'm not going to, well, I might use the hair mask, but it's not something I gravitate to. I don't care that much for the bubble mask. Even though I like masks, the bubble mask isn't the top of my list of ones to go out there and try every bubble mask in the world. Maybe I'm just too tired and I'm just grumpy. But let me know what you think of the Christmas Birchbox down below. I feel at the moment the best thing was the packaging and the lipstick. thank you so much for watching. I hope you will join me for January's Birchbox, and until I see you next time, live every moment well and happy holidays. Bye guys.